assistant to the North Campus president, and I want to welcome you to CCAC-North Campus. We have something here for everyone. Classes, clubs. I'm sure you'll find that you'll fit in great here at North.
Hey everyone, my name is Gretchen Mullen-Savitsky. I'm your campus president and your center president for North Campus and the West Hill Center, and I am sitting in this cool innovation lab that you're all welcome to come and use. I am here to welcome you and to say that feel free to come up to the third floor. We have our doors open for you, and our motto is your success. I want to tell you an interesting story about myself. After I graduated with my bachelor's degree, I went to Japan, Tokyo, Japan. I had $300 in my pocket, so I didn't really know anyone. I went there and I had lots of incredible experiences, so I encourage you to travel. But one thing I'd like you to know about myself is I was in a Japanese soap opera.
Hi, my name is Mary Lou Kennedy. I am the Associate Vice President and Dean of Students for North Campus in our West Hill Center. We're glad that you've chosen CCAC and we look forward to working with you. One interesting thing that occurred for me here at CCAC was about 3 years ago, Barack Obama and Joe Biden came to visit the West Hill Center, and I had the opportunity to interact with their Secret Service team and to meet them, which was pretty cool.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jeff Thomas. I'm the Academic Dean for the North Campus and West Hill Center. I wanted to tell you welcome to our open house, and I hope that you find things here that you will be able to pursue and find a nice career for yourself or just some interesting classes to take. I've been asked to tell you something interesting about myself. I make homemade pizza that I've made for over 20 years, and I make a fine pizza.
Hello, I'm John Bain, the Dean of Administration at the North Campus and the West Hill Center. I manage the day-to-day operations, business-wise, of the campus and the center. And one thing that you might want to know about me or find interesting is that I've been in construction working on and off on the side since I was 14. So I can basically rip out a kitchen like this past weekend and reinstall it within 3 days.
Okay, here I am. David Young, Associate Dean of Academic Affairs. Hello, open house is here. Welcome you, and there are so many things that are exciting about CCAC, and we know that you'll enjoy it here, and we hope that you stay a long time. I tried out for 3 professional baseball teams. One was the Kansas City Royals, one was the Baltimore Orioles, and of course, the Pittsburgh Pirates.
A fun fact about me is that I have visited the home of Bella Swan and Edward Cullen of the Twilight series in Forks, Washington.
I'm a beekeeper, and I've been doing it for about 4 years, and I enjoy beekeeping, and there's honey, there's propolis, and there's pollen are the 3 products from bees. Right now I just give it away. My name is Ron LaGreco. I'm the Assistant Dean at the West Hill Center. We are in the airport area. We have 150,000 square feet, 1,200 students, and we split the population between general education transfer students and technical students. The technical students right now are earning big bucks when they graduate, so we welcome you to come and check us out.
Hi, my name is Laurel Westrom, and I'm the director of the West Hill Center, and I want to welcome you to CCAC. A fun fact about me would be that I can say all 50 states in alphabetical order in about 15 seconds. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts.
Hello everyone. I am Brian Johnson, the Director of Safety at the North Hills campus and the West Hill Center. Welcome to CCAC. Quick fun fact, when I was born, I was raised in Germany for the first 8 years of my life.
I was a sign language interpreter at a Barry Manilow concert. I'm a reformed parrot head.
I'm in Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio.
I have been quilting alongside Jenny Doan and Rob Appel. Look them up on YouTube. They're popular quilters.
Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota.
I've been to the farthest northeast corner of the United States in Washington State.
I was in the movie The Fish That Saved Pittsburgh.
I'm the oldest of 3 daughters. I was an educational interpreter for hearing impaired students.
Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming.
What was that about Barry Manilow?
I was I was a sign language interpreter at a Barry Manilow concert.
Can you do any of it?
No.